हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हम स्टार्ट करेंगे चैप्टर 3 से, ट्रिगोनोमेट्री से. सी, you know that there is a measure of angle we can measured by degree. So there is another measure, it is called radian. So what is the relation between radian and degree? So 2 pi radian, 2 pi radian is equals to 360 degree. It means that pi radian is equals to 180 degree. So 1 radian is equals to 180 upon pi, where pi we can take 22 by 7 and pi by 180 radian is equals to 1 degree. 1 degree is equals to 60 minute and 1 minute is equals to 60 second. Now what is the relation between theta, angle subtended at the center in a circle, arc, minor arc and radius? Theta is equals to L by R or L is equals to R theta, where L is length of the arc, theta is radian measure of the center, subtended angle at the center, and R is a radius. Now how can we convert degree into radian? Suppose 30 degree. So we have to multiply 30 degree with pi by 180. So we will get pi by 6. Similarly, we can get 45 degree, pi by 4 radian, 60 degree, pi by 3 radian, 90 degree, pi by 2 radian, and so on. Now example 1. In example 1, we want to convert 40 degree and 20 minute into radian measure. So 40 minute 20 degree, 40 degree 20 minute. First we have to convert the sum into degree. So 20 degree, if we want to convert 20 minute into degree, then it will be divided by 60. So 20 by 60 degree, it means that 40 degree and 1 by 3. So 43 is a 120 plus 1. So it is a mixed fraction. We are converting it into the fraction. So 121 by 3 degree. So it is converting into degree. अब हमें क्या करना है, फॉर्मूला लिखना है. फॉर्मूला क्या है हमारा? If we want to find radian measure, then we have to multiply degree measure into pi by 180. So pi by 180 into degree measure. So pi by 180 into 121 by 3. So now there is no reduced form. So we have to write 121 pi by 540 radian. Similarly, if we want to convert radian into degree, then formula is degree measure is equals to 180 by pi. उल्टा कर देना है, 180 by pi into radian measure. So now we will put the value of pi 22 by 7. So 180 into 6 into 7 upon 22. So in calculator you can do this. First divide the whole numerator by 22, you will get 343 degree. Then in the decimal part you will get 4 digit. So take 4 digit of decimal part with decimal. Suppose 0.6363, multiply that 0.6363 into 60. So you will get 38 point something. So take 38, the entire part, as a minute, and take all decimal part separately, multiply it by 60, you will get 10.68 something. So it is approximately 11 second. So 343 degree, 38 minute, 11 second.